Hey, welcome back to Legally TT, Walk With Me, Fertility Edition. So, of course, he's gonna bark and make noise right now. Today, he's in his crate, he's not happy. So, today, we are on day 1 of our shots. And of course, I gotta bring y'all with me. Just walk with me. So y'all gonna walk with me through this. How about y'all walk me? How about y'all come take these shots? Okay, that's fine. I gotta take them. So we have 2 shots that we have to take. Our Menopure shot, and let me go see what the other one is. I'll go get it. Hold on. All right, I got it. It was in the fridge. And our Gano F. So Menopure, no, Gano F. This is a pen. That I'm struggling to get out of this box. So this is what my Gano F looks like. And Menopure comes, my Menopure, I don't know about everybody else's. There's 5, plus I get Q caps. So makes it easy to mix with the Q caps. That don't go in there. So I also got my alcohol swabs, of course. Hands are clean. So I'm definitely gonna let the Gano sit out for a moment. If I can get the top off. Okay. So I had to make sure everything was clear. That's that. So I'll have to wipe off the top and put a needle on it. I was given a tip from a friend of mine that is actually going through this now as well, to let it sit out for about 5 minutes because it's cold, and to use an ice pack. I don't know if I'll use an ice pack. I just we'll see how things go. So we will get this one out first and put these back. If you watch my previous videos, I am on 4 days of this stuff. I don't even know if it's suppression or if it's just a seed. I don't know. I just go with the flow. So, I was like, what is all this stuff? It's very overwhelming, especially being day 1. I don't know how I feel. I really don't. I just don't know how I feel. It's a lot. I'll probably know how I feel after I get myself these shots. No, I need a couple of those. I gotta wipe off everything. So let's just take a few out and put these back. So let's prep everything, clean everything off. Because the Gano F, I think I'm gonna do last, and then Menopure first. We'll see. So you gotta wipe off the top. We've done that. dry, and then this goes on and you screw it on. So that's that. There is no big bubbles at the top, so I am fine. I am going to turn mine to 150. That is how many units I'm supposed to have. So you just turn the little bottom until you see, I don't know if you guys will be able to see the number, until you can see the number that you're supposed to take. So mine's turned to 150. So now we are going to take this and mix this all together. I don't have any nails to get these little plastic caps off. There we go. Got it. So another wipe. Wipe the top off. Did I survive? All right, I'm here. All right. Grab my Q cap. This is all so much. Q cap goes on my syringe first. So we just screw that on. And we pull it back to 1 milliliter. And then, because this is the powder one, yep. We pop this. So this is the Q cap. This is the bottle. Pop that straight down on there. Push the air into the bottle. Don't want that to fall. And then pull 1 milliliter out. And it actually just kind of springs on its own. I don't want these bubbles. And push the bubbles back in. There's a little bubble right there. Got it. So I'm gonna pull it back down. Yep, went too far. All right, so we are good. So now we can pull this off. Pull this cap off. Clean this top off. Now, this is a powder. So we press that down on there. Push that all into there. And it says, turn lightly with your fingers. Do not shake. That's what the video said. I'm just going by what the video said. Everything looks dissolved. So now we're gonna turn that back upside down and pull our medicine in. It's actually kind of doing it for you. There's a big bubble, so I gotta have to get that out. All right. We got all our medicine. Yep, that's empty. Why am I lost? Okay. Our needle. What are these things really called? Nope, it says needle. So we screw our needle on. So we're gonna put that there. Move our hair. And we're gonna So you want 1 inch from your belly. I got a lot of belly, so I got plenty of space. So subcutaneous, so in the muscle. So at least 1 inch from your belly button. So you pinch and you'll put it in. With the pin, I have to hold it for 5 seconds to make sure. And then with that one, I just put it in. So we want to clean the area first. I have to see my belly. Hey, it is what it is. So we can clean the area. I always clean more than the area that I'm going to use. Always. Let it dry. The closer we get to this, the more nervous I get. So I know this has a bubble in it. Let me get my had to get my little container. So I could just drop this right down in there when I'm done. Keep the cap. This is the needle. This is number 1. Get this air bubble out of here, most definitely. So you push just until you get a drop at the needle. So I'm moving really, really slow because I don't want to squirt the medicine out. Ah, got it. There's 1 little drop. Oh. Lord, pray for me. Y'all pray for me. Whew. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Sticking yourself is a daunting thing. That just goes down in there. So we screw the top off. So there's 2 tops in this on this one. So we screw the top off of there. And then there's a second top. And there's your second needle. This one is the same. I don't want to get like right on top of the same spot. Whew. OMG. Doesn't really hurt. I think it's more, I don't know what I did with the cap for this. What did I do with it? Oh well. How does it? Oh. So my little thing, you can actually just snap the thing in and it'll screw the top off for you. Screw the needle off for you. I thought it's just easier for me to screw it off and shove it in there. And drop it down in there. Got it. I'll put my top back on. Because, and of course, it reads 0 after I'm done. So what am I feeling? A burning sensation in my belly. Just where I put it in, just a little bit. So all of this will be trash because I have enough Q caps for each time I have to do it. Yeah. So that was day 1 of who knows how many. So, thank you guys. You just gotta be noisy. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and walking with me on this journey. Make sure you like and subscribe. And Sebastian says, please go like, subscribe, share, hit the notification. So before he continues, Bash, Hush. No. Shh. So thank you guys for coming, and I will see you in my next one.